Hey guys, it's your girl Brianna Nairi and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we're switching it up. I'm doing my skincare routine. This is my winter skincare routine. It's 3 simple steps. I don't do a lot of stuff. I'm very simple when it comes to my skin because I don't really have big skin problems. Like my main problem is just that my skin gets super dry, dehydrated, thirsty. I wanted to show you guys that because my skin is dry right now, but the lighting is just making my skin look glorious that you can't even tell. Well, just believe me when I tell you that my skin is dry, super dry. Okay, that's my main problem. Urban Skin RX, I'm gonna be using their combination skin cleansing bar. They did have a dry skin one before, but they discontinued it and they recommended this one as a replacement for if you have dry skin. But I love this because it leaves my face feeling clean, but not clean and refreshed, but not stripped to where like my face, because my skin, like literally after I do anything involving water, I have to put something, some type of moisturizer, lotion on my skin, my face. Like I cannot just go. I will be white. So I really just don't know how people can do that. Like the way my skin is set up, it ain't gonna work. And then I'm gonna be exfoliating with the Dermalogica microfoliant. This bad boy is pricey, but it's definitely worth it. My skin and the texture of my skin is noticeably smoother and softer, and it definitely gets rid of my flaking problem. So I'll do this like 2 or 3 times a week. If I don't, like say I only do it once during the week, it definitely shows. Like my skin will start to become flaky again like towards the end of the week. So I have to be consistent with this, but it definitely helps me in the winter. In the summertime, I feel like I probably should still be exfoliating, but I don't use it as much because in the summertime, my skin really just doesn't give me a lot of problems. They also have a travel size one of this if you just want to try it out and not spend the money for this one. And then I have a few different moisturizers that I switch between, but like, I'm gonna use this Mega Moisture Illuminating Night Cream from Urban Skin RX. I love them. So now that I've showed you what I'm gonna be using, let's get into the routine for real. Okay, so first you want to wet your face, which I have done, and then I take this and it comes with a sponge, and I'll just dip the sponge in here. And let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes and then rinse it off. Okay, so right now I have the exfoliator on my face. It's like a powdered substance. So you just pour some on your hand. I think it tells you how much, half a teaspoon. I think I do more than that because before I was doing a little bit, but I felt like it wasn't really doing much. After I started putting more, I noticed a difference. So I would use a generous amount, maybe like a teaspoon, not half a teaspoon. And then you just put a little bit of water and rub it in so it could be like a foamy kind of like consistency, and then start to rub it in your face. Now I'm gonna rinse it off because my face is starting to feel tight because I had it on for entirely too long. Okay, now I'm going in with the Mega Moisture moisturizer. I already started rubbing it in some places. So I just make dots all around my face and I'll just rub the dots together. And now my lips are feeling dry. So I'm putting on this chapstick from J.Nor Cosmetics. Love this. It has peppermint and eucalyptus. So yeah, that's my skin routine for hydration and clear skin, I guess. Let me know in the comments if you guys have ever used Urban Skin RX or Dermalogica. Absolutely love them. And if you have, what products have you used? And if you don't, what are you using? I want to know it all. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.